I'm sure you know someone who's been affected personally by the Palisade fires. That's why our group, me, Dylan Berry, Jacob Dome, and Vanessa Fang, decided to investigate the burning fate of California and shed some light on this issue. First here we have our abstract, which gives our background for the problem, which honestly, that's why I think one of the reasons our visualization is a lot more informative over others is we really dive deep into the core of the problem. As a little fun fact, 90% of wildfires were caused by humans. Apparently this natural disaster is very man-made. So, and next for our actual visualization, we have a map here. You can hover over any county you want. You can pick it. You can adjust the speed of the visualization, and you can click play. And as time goes on, as a date increases, it'll plot more and more wildfires onto the map. You can see the map slowly turn from gray to yellow as more and more fires engulf the state and really destroy it. And I think this makes for a very powerful visualization, just seeing the state slowly transform into becoming yellow. This was one of the most difficult things to implement, however, because originally we had 50,000 points plotted straight using D3, and that was incredibly laggy. So we figured out a tool called the canvas and used it and was able to plot all 50,000 points while still having the counties be selectable. If you go back, they still show up. It's great. San Diego had 226 fires from 2014 to 2025, by the way. And next, we actually did make a machine learning model where we go through and you give it a county, year, month, and day, and it spits out whether or not a fire will happen on that day. So now for the takeaways, intuition alone is not enough to really understand the scale of the problem. You actually need to go into the data and dissect it and really truly understand it. Otherwise, things that seem glaringly obvious will not be so, and you will really have to take the time to understand it. Thank you.